Hello there, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to grab the result of Google search. Okay, we started when you search in Google like this, something like this, Steve Jobs for example. If you want to copy the link of the result of Google, you can copy one by one. But if you want to grab a result, for example, 50 or 100 result and copy one by one, it take time. I found this module is very interesting and very useful for me to grab the text, to grab the result of Google search. The module is Google search Python. You want read the documentation or the module in this link, or you can Google it, and here the also the information about Google search. Okay, now I will show you this moment. I will Google search, you can search the result 100 even more, or you can also specify the language, the day on. You can search only this day or this week or this month. You can read the documentation of Google search, but I will show you the results of this a great module in my opinions. Okay, you need a Jupyter Notebook if you have Jupyter Notebook, but I already script that I will show you. Here, I will try to make it bigger first. Okay. For example, I already searched the Donald Trump here. Here my code. I would like to show you import SSL. This is for my computer that I have a problem with my SSL. So here the input the modules. I put the box, or when I want to search something, I just type on after this input. So I put query. So here for this one, I search 100 results and language using English. So when I running this Python search, here the input, you need to type what kind of you want to search in this. So I'll type Steve Jobs. So they will give you search 100 results of this search. So I have 100, I think, in this one result. If you want to search, because in here I put 100 results, and this code I don't specify today or this week or this month. I just put a number, but you can specify. You can read the documentation and put the what you need on your result. So you just copy and paste the result and in other media. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope this is useful for you, and keep healthy. See you in the next tutorial video. Bye bye.